through your entrance and your living room, so the entrance should be attractive and should define your whole home. So let's get started. First, I am using this white key holder. I will provide link of this key holder in the description. ये वाला हैंगिंग का DIY मेरे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है. इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन चेक द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ऐड सम ग्रीनरी इन दिस डेकोर. This is also a DIY hanging which added a touch of beauty in this decor. अब मैं ये white net curtain ऐड कर रही हूँ to give a classy look. So the result is here. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.